episode right here on Sincerely Legenia. I am Legenia and I am so glad that you guys are here. In today's video, I am going to be making, for the first time, cucumber kimchi. This is another wonderful recipe that I got from Mai over at My Healthy Dish. I saw her make this on her TikTok and also her Instagram, and she made it look so wonderful, and the ingredients are clean and fresh. And so I thought, hey, I can make this and I can keto-fy it a little bit for us that are keto and low carb. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. So again, this is the first time that I've made this, so we're gonna try it for the first time together. If this is a recipe that you have already made, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. And if you guys decide to make this, come back and let me know how you like it. So let's go ahead and get right into this recipe. I am so excited and I cannot wait to taste this cucumber kimchi. All right, to begin, you need 8 Persian cucumbers, and I am chopping the remainder of my 8 Persian cucumbers up now. And from here, we put in a ½ teaspoon of salt. That is going to help get out all of the moisture that's in the cucumbers. I'm gonna give this a mix, and then we'll let it sit for a little bit so that all of those juices can extract out. Okay, everyone, I've let my cucumbers sit for a little while, and as you can see, this is all of the moisture that has come out of the cucumber. I'm getting ready to pour that out, and we'll finish getting our kimchi together. Okay, so I've gotten all of the moisture out of the cucumber, so I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna set it aside here, and now I'm going to chop 1 small onion. Okay, so I've got my onions chopped. I'm now gonna put those in our bowl. All right, and then next we're going to need 4 stalks of green onion. Okay, and I'm just going to cut those. She seemed to have hers cut maybe about 1 inch long. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. All right, I'm gonna put those in. So I have some fresh organic garlic here that I'm going to chop up. And you guys, look at my little knife that I'm gonna be using. Isn't that like the most adorable little meat cleaver knife? So cute. If you guys are interested in this, let me know, because I can actually get some of these and make them available on my website. So let me know if you're interested in me carrying these cute little knives, okay? They're just the cutest. I love it. So sharp. Look at that. All right, and from here, we've got 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped garlic going in. Okay, now we're going to add monk fruit. The original recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of sugar, but we're gonna replace the sugar with the monk fruit. We're gonna sprinkle that in, 2 teaspoons. Next, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, and this is, another name for it is red pepper powder. So let me show you that. That's this right here, and I'll show you what the packaging looks like too, but we need 2 tablespoons of gochugaru. All right, and this is the package. And this is the package. This is what the particular brand that I have looks like. And I believe this is the same brand that Mai uses as well on her video. So we need 2 tablespoons of that. It is not the same as red pepper flakes or anything like that. This is literally a powder, okay? Next, we need 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and I am using the sugar-free rice vinegar going in. And then we need 1/4 cup of sesame oil going in. Lastly, we're going to add some sesame seeds. And then we're going to give this a mix. She actually used her hand, and I think I know why. Let me use my hands as well. All right, then we're gonna go in and give this a mix. All right, guys, and there we have it. Cucumber kimchi. Now I'm going to put this in a storage container. It is best to let this sit for 30 minutes before eating, but for the absolute best flavor, it says in the recipe to let it sit overnight. So that's what I am going to do. I am going to taste one of these little cucumbers though as I'm getting ready to put this up. And then I will definitely be showing this to you guys in one of my What I Eat in a Day videos. I am done with the cucumber kimchi. So let me let you guys see. I did do a close-up so that you guys could see what it looks like really close up. The color on this is really beautiful. And I know because of the redness, it looks like it's going to be really hot, but usually when something's going to be really hot, it smells really hot as well. I don't have that smell. So let's just give it a taste, and that's the only way we'll find out, right? All right. A little bit of all of that in there. You know what I think would go great in this? It seems like carrot should be in this too. But let me let you guys see. I'm supposed to put my hand back and that would kind of center in on it. Can you guys see? All right. Okay, let's give it a taste. Mmm. Oh, wow. Get a little bit more. Very fresh. Got some onion. Oh, I did get the back of my throat. But it's not hot. I got some of that fresh green onion in there and regular onion. Of course, the cucumber and the garlic. Good. To me, it seems like carrots would go really, really well with this, like shredded carrots. When I do this again, I think that's something that I'm definitely going to try. I am going to get another piece because it's really delicious, you guys. I'll get another piece with some onion and everything here, but really delicious. It tastes really fresh. It doesn't quite taste like kimchi, you know, regular kimchi, but it's good. It has that kimchi-like feel. And I remember my saying in her video that this is served well with rice and some type of grilled meat. So, of course, we have already made this a low-carb version. So maybe we could have it with some cauliflower rice and a grilled meat of our choice. So, but anyway, delicious dish. I highly, highly recommend it. All right, so again, you're supposed to let your kimchi sit for at least 30 minutes, but for maximum flavor, overnight is best. So in my What I Eat in a Day videos, I'll be showing you what I have with my kimchi and letting you know how the flavor has maximized by sitting overnight. So I'm excited to do that for you guys. Well, you guys, thank you so much for another video. It is always a pleasure. I hope you guys get a chance to try this cucumber kimchi. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below where you can go to Mai's website and get this recipe. You guys are definitely going to enjoy it. Again, recipes that are not my own, I will not put on my website because they're not my own, but I will definitely always leave the link in the description box of my videos so that you guys can enjoy these wonderful recipes as well. Thanks for joining me. It is always a pleasure. Until the next video, it's my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. Apparently Rico, because he will not stop talking, apparently Rico wants you guys to have a blessed and prosperous day as well. I'll talk to you guys in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.